Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to study about learning curves. This is part of your topic forecasting techniques. Let us look at the definition of learning curves. Learning curves describes the fact that the more experience people have with something, the more efficient they become in doing that task. What does that mean? When a worker repeatedly do the same task many times, he'll become an expert in that. The time taken to complete a particular task will be reduced. Why is it reduced? Because he will make lesser mistakes. He'll become an expert in doing that particular task. You would also have experienced this in your real life. This is a very important concept in analyzing your labor rate. When you introduce a new process, a new production line in a factory, initially it will take more time to complete that particular process. But as and when more number of units are produced by the same workers, they will take less time to complete that particular process. Hence, the productivity will come down and efficiency of the workers will increase. Now, let us look at the chart. The y-axis, which represents the time taken to complete a task, and x-axis represents the cumulative number of times the task has been performed. When the task has been done first time, let's say it took 100 minutes for the workers to complete it. The second time, it took 80 minutes. Third time, it took, let's say, 70 minutes. Fourth time, they took 65 minutes, like that. So here you can see from 100 minutes, it has reduced to 65 minutes when they repeated the task 4 times. Hence, the more you produce, your labor rate will come down. But you have to notice one thing, that it will not keep on reducing. It will become stagnant at some point of time. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Let's say a factory introduced a new production line. They produce a particular component in a batch of 100 units, and as the management accountant of that particular company, you are asked to analyze the time taken to complete the process. And here is the data that you captured. Let's say when the first 100 unit of batch was produced, the workers took 100 minutes. The workers took 100 minutes, right? The workers took 100 minutes, right? They took 100 minutes. Then the next 100 unit, when cumulative 200 units, they took 180 minutes. When they completed 300 units, they took 240 minutes. When they completed 400 units, they took 292 minutes. So let us see when they completed each batch, how much time did they take. The first batch took 100 minutes, second batch took 80 minutes, third batch took 60 minutes, fourth batch took 52 minutes. And what is the average time, cumulative average time taken to produce each batch? First batch 100 minutes, second batch is 90 minutes, which is 180 divided by 2, 2 batches. Third is 80 minutes, 240 divided by 3 batches. And fourth is 273, which is 292 divided by 4 batches. So there are some learning which is happening, which causes reduction in time, cumulative average time of that particular process. For CMA examination, you have to study two models of learning curve analysis, which is cumulative average learning model, and the second is incremental unit time learning model. We will study about these two models in detail in the next session. As you all know, we provide coaching for CMA USA aspirants at a very low fee. If you are interested in joining for the classes, which is going to start very soon, please contact me in the number given here. Thank you.